Are you looking to start a small business from home or expand your current production? Technosys India brings you the most reliable, efficient, and easy-to-use camphor making machines in India, designed for both household and industrial. Made in India, 100% locally manufactured with high-quality material, single-phase operation. Plug and play in any home socket, low maintenance. Built for long life and hassle-free use, high output, versatile. Suitable for religious use. Our product range includes 5-tablet camphor making machine, 10-tablet camphor making machine, heavy-duty camphor machine for mass production single-phase machines, ideal for home-based businesses, runs on regular home electricity. Benefits of starting a camphor making business: low investment, high return, growing demand in puja items, temples, homes, and Ayurvedic uses. Can start from home using single-phase power, ideal for women entrepreneurs, small business owners. Technosys, redefining camphor making in India. In a country where camphor holds deep spiritual, medicinal, and cultural significance, Technosys proudly introduces a range of advanced camphor making machines designed for today's entrepreneurs. Whether you're looking to start a small-scale business from home or expand an existing setup, our machines are built to deliver efficiency, reliability, and profit, all at an affordable price. Camphor is used every day in Indian homes for Aarti Puja. We offer both 5-tablet and 10-tablet camphor making machines, as well as heavy-duty models for bulk production. Whether you're making camphor for local temples, shops, or online sales, our machines are built to handle the job with minimal maintenance. Our single-phase camphor machines are specially designed for household power supply, making them perfect for home-based production. Just plug in and start making camphor tablets. One of the biggest advantages of choosing Technosys India is the complete support we offer. From setting up your machine to sourcing raw materials and even marketing guidance, we help you at every step. Our machines are not just products. My self-employment journey with Technosys India. Starting my own business was a dream I had for a long time, but like many, I was unsure where to begin. That's when I discovered Technosys India and their innovative camphor making machines.